Kia ora kids, I am Dr. LETSCODE. Today is our third class of this Robotics Club. So our Robotic Club is sponsored by Bliss4 Technologies. If you go to their website, you will see they have a range of very cool educational toys and products. So for the first part, I am using Scratch. It is a very popular platform. So here you can find the URL scratch.mit.edu. So last week we discussed how we create a clicker game. So today we are going to discuss like how we create chaser game. So it's a small project that we can do with maybe like 15 minutes. So I will take you through this program. So then you can practice this code yourself and also even modify it, even do something very cool. So it is better you create user account here. So I'm not going to explain it the process of creating user account. It is quite easy. So then go to create. You will get to this workspace where you can do cool program. As I said, Scratch is a very popular platform where kids can learn programming. You don't need to have any prior knowledge. So it is same as building your building blocks Lego. So you can assemble simply drag and drop code block to do very cool program. So today, as I said, I am going to teach you how to create chaser game. So I will leave my sprite. If you want to modify, you know how to do it. So just click on this icon. So I'm going to select a ball in addition to my cat. So I like this ball. So I will add it. So you can see, so both of these sprites are in my workspace. So then when we do programming, so we need to have some event to start some activity. For that purpose, I am using under events. So I will select this one, but kids don't forget I'm programming for this cat first. So because of that, select the cat, then you will see cat on your right hand side top on the workspace. So then I add this when click block. So I need to program this cat to move like when I press arrow key. For that, so we need to observe like arrow key event. So I need to do it like forever or maybe like predefined step, but so it should be pretty long period. So because of that, I'm using forever block. I hope you are familiar now. So forever block, that means we are trying to do something continuously. So then I'm going to check like whether I'm pressing key. So for that, I will use if block, if. So then the under the sensing, you can see key press event key. So drag it here. It is not space key. So I want to check like right arrow key. So when right arrow key is pressed, I need to move my sprite. So under the motion, so you need to select change X by 10. Some of you kids already familiar with the Cartesian plane, like where your we have like we speak about two direction, x direction and y direction. These coordinate help us to define or maybe like mention where the object is. So it is like address, same way like we have address to our home. So when something is on a like a plane, so to easily locate that object, so we use this Cartesian uh, plane or maybe like xy coordinates. So then I am going to change my x coordinate by 10. So when I press click on this arrow like flag, I can start my program. So kids, you can see when I'm pressing arrow key, right arrow key, so my sprite is moving 10 steps. So like this. So inside the forever block, so we are checking like whether we pressed so right arrow key. So when the right arrow key pressed, so my sprite is moving like this. Now kid, what if I select space bar here? So then right, not the right arrow key, so this sprite will respond to the space key, as you see. So then you know how to program each of the keys in the keyboard. These are the supported keys that you can see. We have long list of keys that you can find. So then in case you want to program other keys for your game, so you can easily do it. So then I will add another if block because I need to program right hand side, left hand side movement as well. So go to control, find the if block. So then you are going to sense whether I am pressing now this time left hand arrow key. So when I press left hand arrow key, so I need to move my sprite by 10 step. But kids, now you know it is now not right hand side. Now I want to move it to left hand side. So because of that, I'm making it negative. So then same way I need to program up arrow key and down arrow key so that my cat move up and down. Go to control, another if block, use motion, under motion so sense, find the key press event, add it to my if block. So then now this time I up key. So when I press up key, I want to move my sprite, change Y by 10 steps. Kids, I will show what happened now. See, it's going upward. So when I press down key, down arrow key, go to control, use another if block. So there kids, under sense, again, sense whether like I'm pressing key. Now this time it is down arrow key, press, then change. Now kids, I want to move it down. So because of that, I'm making it negative 10. Okay, now my cat is almost programmed. So then we will see like what will happen if I run it. So I will make it bigger. So now I'm pressing my right arrow. Okay kids, so you can see like so I need to change this my right arrow key to space to right arrow key. Now when I maximize it, so I'll show this again. I can move my sprite right hand side, left hand side, up, down, likewise. So then we will program a ball because this is a chaser game. Like so, cat is trying to chase the ball. See, we will see like what will happen when cat is trying to reach the ball. Okay, so we need to start with the flag key pressed, the flag when we click the flag. So for that, go to control, event. So when the flag is clicked, so then again I need to have hover block. So because we need to check like cat is reaching the ball. So one thing that I forget kids, when I'm programming ball, I need to select ball. Okay, so again use event, control, forever. So then if I will go for like another control, so that is if block, if. So then if you like touching, we'll see like whether this helped me. If I'm touching sprite 1, my sprite 1 is cat. When the ball touches cat, or maybe what exactly happen is like cat is trying to touch the ball. So then what should happen? So ball is going to a random position. So for that, go to motion, So you can select go to random position like this. So now kids, look at the flow of this logic. When the flag is clicked, so we check forever, so whether sprite 1, that means cat is touching the ball. When cat is touching the ball, ball is going to random place. Now this is my code for cat, the ball, and this is my code for cat. So I will run this program and see what will happen. So you can see, so like this, cat is trying to chase the ball, but ball is tricky, so it is moving to random location. So in addition to that, like we can introduce some score for this one. So add variable, so make variable. When we start the game, we need to set this score to 0. My variable is score. And also when we touches the ball, so we can award maybe 2 marks for that. So for that, change when it is touching, change this by 2. Okay, now let's see. So whether this program working as expected. So just click on this flag and play the game, kids. So we can see like the ball is moving, so that part is working, but our score is not working. We will see. Okay kids, when I go back to my code, you can see, so here I haven't selected the variable, it should be score. Now I will run this again. Click on the flag. Now it is click. So now you can see kids, I'm getting marks for chasing the ball. In addition to that kids, like I will add background, nice background for this game. So select here, you can select whatever you want. So I might be select okay, so maybe cat is playing in the living room or maybe a bedroom. So just look at this. I will play this one. Okay, click on the flags. So we have nice background now. So you are getting marks for that. So that's it kids. I hope you enjoy making this game. So and kids, now so my activity for this game, see whether you can modify this background into different one, and also you can use different sprite, not the cat, something else, and also change ball to something else. And also kid, see whether you can give 5 marks for each chase. So make it more interesting and also customize according to uh, what you feel good, and play around, learn Scratch further, and also learn programming. I hope you kids enjoy this lesson today. Thank you very much for joining with the lesson. Thank you very much. Have a great day, kids.